Sup guys, Iandroidchris here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an early desk setup tour for 2021. I've added a lot more stuff and I changed a lot around from the last desk setup tour, and everything that I talk about will be listed in the link description box below. But anyways guys, let's get right to it. Starting off, I want to talk about the desk that I use, and as you can see I'm still using the white Lenmont tabletop from IKEA, resting on an Alex drawer unit. This makes everything brighter with white light and RGB colors bouncing off of it, which is something I consider for filming my videos. Now on the right side of my desk I have a beautiful Core i7 10th-gen PC with an MSI 1660 graphics card and 32GB of RAM. This PC is pre-built by iBuyPower, but I did add some more hardware. Now I'm a huge fan of RGB light too, so it was only right for me to get a PC with one. It also matches my peripherals extremely well, with everything also being RGB too. Plugged into that I have my Samsung 27-inch curved LED monitor. It sits very clean on my desk with its amazing display. The design is beautiful with its thin bezels and curved look. The resolution is also nice and bright, and it really does handle itself when I'm at work, editing, or gaming. In front of that I have a mini soundbar which offers great sound when watching movies, listening to music, or podcasts, and the glowing red light also offers a nice chill aesthetic to it. In front of that I have my keyboard of choice, the Corsair K59 Rgb Keyboard. This keyboard is amazingly comfortable and it offers a nice wide range of key layout for typing, gaming, editing, and a lot more. Next to that I have my amazing MX Master 3. With a clean and modern look, this mouse does complement my desk. It fits nicely in my hand and I have no issues when I'm using it for long periods of time. Behind that I have small gadgets like my Apple Watch, my Canon 55mm lens, and a Logitech wireless sound receiver. On the left side of my desk I have a Core i3 Dell laptop. Running with 8GB of RAM, this used to be my main computer other than my iMac computer, but ever since I got my tower I only use it when I'm out and about or not at my desk. In front of that I have the Amazon Alexa Show. I've talked about this device so much in my other videos, so you guys should check them out. But this is mainly used for music and other hand-free activities like the Alexa personal assistant. And behind all of that I have my LED extended desk lamp with QI enabled charging. Resting on that I have my HyperX gaming headphones, and on the other side of that I have my Blue Yeti mic, which I'm using right now for recording. Now moving on to the Alex drawer unit, I have a couple of more items such as my Canon T2i, camera chargers, and lens caps. Now I am using the Canon Eos RP to film this video, and I actually did a full review on it last week, so you guys should check it out. Last but not least, in my drawers I keep a couple smartphones and other office accessories. Anyways guys, I really do appreciate you guys so much, and I just want to take the time to say thank you. If you want to know more information about the products I have in this video, click on the links in the link description box below. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you guys want more videos like this, just share with your friends. Anyways guys, I'm Iandroidchris, and I'll be back with another video.